Listen, if you woke up this morning and felt like someone just rubbed sandpaper across your eyes, stop right there.
Don't go blaming your age. That's a dangerous lie we've been told.
I'm Dr. Sterling. In my 20 years of clinical practice,
I've seen far too many people throw their hard-earned money away on useless eye drops.
The truth is, your eyes aren't just getting old. They are literally starving from the inside out.
The key is a powerhouse that science calls the cellular bodyguard, vitamin E.
This nutrient stops free radicals from attacking your macula and actually helps repair the tiny blood vessels that feed your eyes.
But here is the scary part. Over 90% of Americans over 60 are severely deficient in this vitamin.
that is exactly why your eyes never get a chance to reborn or restore eyesight while you sleep.
In today's video, I'm going to share 3 of the most powerful vitamin E foods you should eat before bed to trigger this self-healing process for natural eye health. Number 3, it's no bigger than a fingernail, but it packs more antioxidants than any expensive eye cream. Number 2, a creamy fruit that boosts your vitamin E absorption by 4 times. And number 1, the miracle food for anyone terrified of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, a secret I usually save only for my private patients.
Before we dive in, if you're someone who has to keep a bottle of artificial tears on your nightstand just to get through the morning, go ahead and hit that like button. I want to see how many of us are struggling with this, so we can fix blurry eyes naturally together tonight.
First up, sunflower seeds. Look at these tiny seeds. This isn't just a snack, it's a nutritional freight truck. Why do I say that? Because most seniors are running their eyes on an empty tank. Sunflower seeds contain vitamin E, but more importantly, they're loaded with zinc. Think of zinc as the heavy-duty delivery truck. Without it, vitamin A stays trapped in your liver and never reaches your retina. The result? Your night vision basically turns the lights out. These tiny seeds are a real nutrition factory. Just about an ounce gives you nearly half of your daily vitamin E. This is vital for senior eye care because vitamin E helps your eyes fight oxidative damage overnight.
While you dream, your eyes switch into repair mode. But without enough antioxidants, inflammation builds up, cells weaken, and your retina becomes vulnerable. The science is clear, folks. A study in the Journal of Diagnostic Research proved that vitamin E significantly reduces oxidative stress on the retina. It means, while you're sleeping, vitamin E is cleaning up the toxic waste in your eyes. But sunflower seeds offer more than just vitamin E. They provide zinc and selenium, the maintenance crew for your senior's vision. Zinc is essential for transporting vitamin A to the retina to help you see better in low light, while selenium boosts antioxidant activity so vitamin E can work longer and harder. It's the perfect team. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, zinc sharpens night vision, and selenium keeps the whole system running smooth. What makes sunflower seeds perfect for senior health tips is the convenience. No cooking or complicated prep. Just a small handful before bed, ideally unsalted and roasted for easy digestion, and let the nutrients do the heavy lifting while you sleep. Take my patient Evelyn, a retired teacher. She used to rub her red, irritated eyes every morning just to read the newspaper. Her story isn't rare. I've seen this pattern over and over. Sunflower seeds are also rich in healthy fats, which help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E. So, even if you're taking supplements, adding these seeds can actually make your senior eye protection work better. One important note, do not buy the salted or sugared kind. You need a blurry eyes treatment, not a burden on your kidneys. Those additives can kill the anti-inflammatory benefits. Go for plain, dry roasted. If they're hard to chew, grind them into yogurt or a banana smoothie. You only need 1 to 2 tablespoons, about the size of a golf ball in your palm. Since they're energy dense, this small amount is enough to refuel your eyes without affecting your sleep or weight. Remember, this isn't a magic pill. It's a gentle, natural eye health way to support your body's healing night after night. So if you're tired of relying on those eye drops or squinting to see the clock in the morning, sunflower seeds might be exactly what your body has been craving. And the best part? You'll start to feel the difference even before you finish your first bag. Next is almonds. They may be small, but their impact on senior eye care is massive.
Do your eyes ever feel gritty, like there's a grain of sand stuck inside, even after you wash them? That's because your tear film is breaking down.
The tear film is the protective layer that keeps your eyes moist, nourished, and comfortable. As we get older, especially after 60, this layer thins out. One of the biggest reasons is a lack of fat-soluble antioxidants, specifically vitamin E.
Almonds act as the patching material for those tears. They contain the most potent form of vitamin E known to biology. While you sleep, these nutrients silently rebuild that protective shield. 1 ounce of almonds provides about 7.3 milligrams of vitamin E, nearly half of what you need for the day. But what makes almonds stand out is how their other nutrients help you improve eyesight naturally. Unlike many plants, almonds have natural monounsaturated fats that act as a vehicle for vitamin E. This matters because vitamin E doesn't work well if it's just floating in your blood. It needs fat to be delivered to where it's needed most, your retina and cornea.
In fact, a 2017 study in the journal Nutrients found that people who eat almonds regularly have higher blood levels of vitamin E and better protection against lipid oxidation, a type of cell damage that is particularly harmful to eye tissue. This means almonds don't just put vitamin E in your body, they help your body use it for senior eye protection. Dry eyes aren't just an annoyance, folks. Over time, it can lead to thinning of the cornea and tiny scratches that never quite heal. By restoring the antioxidant balance in your tear film, almonds play a direct role in how to fix vision at a structural level. And we aren't done yet. Almonds also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that act like internal sunglasses to filter out harmful blue light. These nutrients build up in your retina, shielding you from damage caused by screens, sunlight, and cellular aging. So, with every small serving of almonds, you're getting a triple benefit: restoring moisture, preventing damage, and strengthening your macula, the high-definition center of your vision. A lesser-known benefit of almonds is their role in reducing systemic inflammation. Silent, chronic inflammation is a major culprit in age-related eye issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. Almonds contain magnesium and phenolic compounds that lower C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation linked to declining eye health. Now, here is the key to making almonds work for your eyes while you sleep. Eat them in the evening, ideally 1 to 2 hours before bed. A small handful of 10 to 12 nuts, no more. If your teeth aren't what they used to be, don't worry. Just soak them in warm water. This softens them up and can even double the nutrient absorption. You can also blend soaked almonds into a sleepy time smoothie with a banana, or simply crush them over sugar-free yogurt. The goal isn't to eat a lot. It's to eat smart. Because when your eyes feel dry or blurry in the morning, it's a sign the internal structures are under stress. Almonds provide the nutrition for eye health needed to repair and maintain them. Don't just look for stronger glasses. Start healing from within your own tear film. And here is the secret I usually reserve for my clinic patients: avocado. If you've ever sliced an avocado, you know how smooth and buttery it is. But what it does inside your body is even more incredible, especially for your senior's vision. Avocado is one of the most powerful foods you can eat at night to support eye tissue repair. While seeds and almonds provide concentrated vitamin E, the avocado provides something just as important: bioavailability. Why is avocado number 1? Listen, vitamin E is fat-soluble. If you eat vitamin E-rich foods without good fats, your body just flushes them out. Avocado is the key that unlocks your cells so vitamin E can flood into your retina. A 2020 study published in Nutrients showed that people who ate avocado daily for 6 weeks had significantly higher levels of both lutein and alpha-tocopherol, a form of vitamin E, in their blood. These nutrients concentrate in the retina and macula, the 2 areas responsible for sharp, clear detail. But the avocado does even more. Every green slice contains its own lutein and zeaxanthin to filter blue light and reduce stress on the retina. They also contain vitamin C and B vitamins to support the blood vessels at the back of the eye, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen while you sleep. What makes avocado a true cataracts food cure for older adults is its ability to fight inflammation at the root. Compounds called phytosterols in avocados have been shown to reduce chronic inflammation markers in eye tissue,
And because avocados are naturally low in sugar, they help stabilize your blood sugar overnight, which indirectly protects the delicate capillaries in your eyes.
I had a patient, Arthur, 72 years old. He was facing his greatest fear, direct injections into his eye for age-related macular degeneration. We tried a different approach, half an avocado every night, 2 hours before bed. After 3 months, his own specialist was shocked. His eye pressure had stabilized, and his macula was actually regaining the thickness it needed.
Arthur's story is proof that food isn't just fuel, it's medicine. Now, I'm not saying an avocado will give you the 20/20 vision of a 10-year-old. That's a medical fairy tale. But I can tell you it can help your eyes stay as sharp as they were 10 years ago. That is the truth.
So, how should you eat it for the best results? The ideal amount is about 1/3 to half of a medium avocado before bed. You can mash it on a slice of whole grain toast, blend it, or just eat it with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. Avoid the salty chips, as they cause water retention and puffy eyes. Don't worry about the calories. The healthy fats in avocado digest slowly, keeping you full and helping with blood sugar. Pro tip: combining avocado with vitamin E-rich seeds or almonds creates a synergy effect. You aren't just adding nutrients, you're multiplying their power.
Many people spend years chasing stronger prescriptions or blurry eyes treatment without realizing the key is in their kitchen. Avocado helps rebuild the oil layer of your tears, calms retinal inflammation, and boosts blood flow.
And it does all this gently in the quiet hours of sleep, when your body finally has the chance to heal. Now that you know the power of sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocados, the next step is simple. Turn that knowledge into a daily habit. The goal is to provide the building blocks for your eyes to restore vision after 60. But your body also needs time to digest, so the best time to eat these is between dinner and bedtime, about 1 to 2 hours before you lie down. This gives your body the chance to send those antioxidants exactly where they are needed most. Start with just one of these 3 foods each night. You don't have to eat them all at once. In fact, rotating them through the week keeps it interesting. For example, almonds tonight, half an avocado tomorrow, sunflower seeds on your yogurt the next.
Portion size matters too. For sunflower seeds, a rounded tablespoon is plenty. For almonds, 10 to 12 nuts. For avocado, 1/3 to 1/2 of the fruit. This isn't about eating until you're full. It's about refueling your eyes without overloading your nighttime digestion. And please, stay away from the salty or processed versions. If you're on medication or a special diet, always check with your doctor. But generally, these 3 foods are very safe and ideal for supporting eye health from the inside out. Even if you only do this 3 or 4 nights a week, you will see a noticeable difference. Some people start feeling less dryness in the morning, while others find they can handle bright light better or experience less eye fatigue by midday. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. Start tonight. When you wake up tomorrow, look in the mirror and ask yourself if that sandpaper feeling has started to fade. The journey to clear vision naturally starts in your kitchen, not the pharmacy. Remember, we aren't looking for a magic miracle. We are simply restoring what belongs to you. Your eyes have walked with you through a lifetime of memories, reading by lamplight, watching your children grow, and seeing the smiles of those you love. Even now, they deserve care, not just endurance. No matter your age, it is never too late to support your vision. You don't need expensive pills or complex procedures. Sometimes it starts with something as small as a seed or an avocado, eaten at the right time for the right purpose. The damage that builds up over the years doesn't have to be permanent. Your body still remembers how to heal. It just needs the right materials and a little consistency to do the job it was designed to do. Imagine waking up with less strain, less dryness, and more clarity. Imagine going through your day without constantly rubbing your eyes or squinting at a screen. That change starts with how you nourish yourself at night. The 3 foods we talked about today, sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocados, might seem simple, but what they offer is truly incredible. They are the fuel for your eyes to repair, rest, and recover while you sleep. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about protecting what matters most, so you can keep seeing the life you love with clarity, comfort, and vitality after 60.
Thank you for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate each of you for listening and taking steps toward your health. If you found this helpful, please hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you don't miss our next senior health tips. And if you've tried these foods or have a nighttime routine that helps your eyes, please share it in the comments below. Your story might be the inspiration someone else needs.
I'm Dr. Sterling, and I'll be right here with you, protecting your vision one night at a time.